Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azinne Williams. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. If you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button. Click on the notification bell to let you know whenever I post any new video. Okay guys, so last night was the unveiling of Star Girl Erica as the brand ambassador for Star Radler and legend Extra Stout. It was a night of magic, people of God. I don't think I've seen an unveiling like this one. It was not something that was done in the office. It was like a complete party. Seriously, they did the unveiling both of the new drink, because I think they had like a new variant of the Star Radler drink, and of course the unveiling of Star Girl herself. And your girl has got videos, yes, video clips for you guys to watch. I had to make sure I got different videos. The event was graced by, of course, the officials of Nigerian Breweries Company, and of course we had celebrities that were there, Noble Igwe, actors, actresses. They were there to celebrate with them and also to celebrate with Erica, the Star Girl. We had the likes of Pato Rankin. It was really, really sweet when Pato Rankin was serenading Erica. It was something to watch. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be leaving the audio with that video because they're going to give me plenty copyright if I try that. So I am not going to be doing that. But I'll have the visuals up in this video for you guys. Of course, when you see Star Girl, of course you should know that there's a Kidwire in the mix. He's always there to support his baby G, and yes, Kidwire was there. Tolani Barge was there to support her girl, and it was really, really fun. I'm just gonna be dropping that video for you guys. Let me not shalaye too much. Okay guys, before I put out that video and before I end this video, because I really want this video to be very, very short, I want to address something. I've been seeing this for quite a while and I decided not to talk about it because at then it was not something I should bother myself about. I'm still not bothered about it, but I just feel at the rate at which it's going, it's really not going to be nice. Yeah. So what is it that I want to address? I want to talk about this whole Prince and Dorothy hating. I do not understand why people will go out of their way to be spreading lies about these two people and to be hating them, trolling them, saying stuff that are not true about them. It's not nice. Yesterday was the height of it. Like, ever since the birthday party that Prince threw for Dorothy to the Lacon's birthday party, they've been under fire, people of God, especially Prince. And yesterday was the height of it. People went as far as saying that Dorothy was using juju on Prince. I'm like, how? And okay, first of all, we all know how this whole thing started. They were friends in the house. They came out. Prince was campaigning for Dorothy. In fact, he was the first housemate to openly post another housemate's picture and ask people to campaign or to vote for them, which was a bold move if you ask me. And then he went ahead to talk about every of his interviews. There was no interview that Prince made outside the house that there was no Dorothy named there, and in a very good kind of way. So Dorothy came out. It was all fun. They've been together like since then. At some point, people, like lately, ever since her birthday, people have started to speculate that they are dating. We don't know yet. Even though a lot of shippers believe they are dating, we don't know yet. They've not come out to tell us anything about that. But that's, by the way, I just wanted you guys to have a foundation of what this whole thing is all about. Then now they started with this narrative that Prince was using Dorothy for clout, that he came out and all of a sudden it was all about Dorothy. And I'm asking myself, is it that these people did not watch the Big Brother that I watched? Or maybe me, I did not watch Big Brother. Maybe all those time I watched Big Brother for 71 days. Maybe I was watching my microwave. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I was watching from maybe my backyard. Because from what I saw, these two people from the first day, in fact, also Prince and Dorothy, this Dorothy was close to these two people from the very first day in the house, and for us all, along the line something happened and that was it. For Prince, she became very close to him, even more closer during the end part of the time where he was in the house. So for people to come out and say that he is using Dorothy for clout, I've seen people even in my comments, I pay no mind to that. I do not understand where that is coming from, And even if he's using her, let's just say, okay, he's using her. Is that supposed to be our problem? You are not an explorer. You are not a royal army, a royal family. I don't know what they are called, princess fans. You should not be concerning yourself about that. I keep saying this every time. Face your fave. If you're a ninja, focus on Nengi. If you're an explorer, focus on Dorothy. If you are a royal family, a royal army, focus on Prince. If you are a superior, focus on Ozo. If you are I like icons anyways. They all focus on their fave. Focus on that. If you're an elite, yeah, they also focus on their focus on Erica. Focus on your faves. It's not supposed to be your problem. Is it not Dorothy they are using? Has she complained? I mean, does that even make any sense? Secondly, they started with this narrative of Prince was unfair to Tolani Baj, and he immediately came out and dumped Tolani Baj. I don't understand. We all know how this whole thing started. Even while Prince was in the house, when he came out, he had an interview. I always value the very first interview they have with Ebuka in that hotel, because they've not been able to access their phones to watch whatever it is that's going on social media, because that, or talk to people, because that can actually influence whatever it is they want to say. And Prince said that he and Tolani Baj has some scores to settle. And Tolani Baj, her first interview, I remember she told Ebuka that that Neo was, according to her, I think Neo was feeling her and she was up for that, if there's room for that. And basically, we all know how that stuff happened. So I don't get the narrative of Prince dumped Tolani Baj, and Prince used Tolani Baj, and Prince was not fair to Tolani Baj. Another one, that one I actually saw yesterday, where they said that Dorothy was using juju. How? I mean, is it the third time I'm hearing somebody is using juju in Big Brother? This is actually the third time I'm hearing that stuff. The first one was the Thatcher one. Then the second one, I've forgotten. I think I did a video on that. Now, this is the third one. How can Dorothy be using juju? With juju, Big Brother is the Babalawo that did the thing. Or maybe that diary session was a shrine that they did the juju inside. I don't understand. People should just, stop being delusional. Even if you want to attack somebody, attack with facts. I keep saying it, bring out facts, not something you've, made up in your head. Now they are saying that Prince is gay. Yeah. At that point, people of God, last night, I just said, you know what, I'm off Twitter. I just want to go and sleep. In fact, people took time for how many hours yesterday on their Instagram live to talk about Dorothy and Prince. I don't understand. I keep saying this, yeah? Face your faith. Face your faith. Let peace reign. Like Lekon will say, love and light. If Prince is using Dorothy, let it be Dorothy's cross to carry. If Dorothy is forcing herself from Prince, let it be her own cross to carry. If both of them are using themselves, if they are both fake people, if they are both lying, whatever it is they are doing, let them be the one to bear the brunt. At the end of the day, do you know what? Time will tell. I just felt I just should talk about this because I don't understand where this is coming from. Seriously, I don't understand where this is coming from. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your opinion, because yesterday was the height of it. I've been seeing a lot of dragging that these two people have been receiving. I just didn't want to talk about it, but yesterday it was so serious. Like somebody went on Instagram live and the whole thing they were talking about was just Prince and Dorothy. So guys, that's it from me. I think I've talked way more than I planned to do today about this topic. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. So that's it, guys. I'll be leaving you guys with beautiful footage from Erica, the Star Girl. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you so very much for being part of my channel. If you've not already subscribed, can you click on the subscription button? Click on the notification bell to let you know whenever I post any new video. Until I come your way again, I remain your girl, Ezinne Williams. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Bye, guys.